Workers of the multinational oil and gas company ExxonMobil have shut down their Lagos headquarters office over the sacking of some of their members. The peaceful protest saw the workers' union of the company agitating for the recall of about 860 sacked spy police of the company. The protesters, during the protest, which was demonstrated with various placards, claimed that there is need for the company to reinstall all sacked employees and provide their entitlements without any delay.
Everybody run, run, run. Everybody scatter, scatter. Some people nearly die. Some people lost somewhere. Someone just died. Police they come, army they come.
Some of their members, while speaking to Happenings TV, said it is important for the company to obey the Supreme Court order passed in April 2018.
What is happening here, as you can see today, is a peaceful demonstration over what we see as the company's irresponsibility on their part to obey the Supreme Court of this country, because we have issues with them that borders with our employment. And the case went to the court, and it went through all categories of the court down to Supreme Court. And we got the judgment in our favor that we are employees of this company. And the company, instead of them to accept and comply with the judgment of the Supreme Court, that is the biggest court in the land, they feel they are bigger than Supreme Court, and they refuse to comply. And what they do, instead of complying, they came up with sack letter that they have sacked us. And so we cannot fold our hands. We need to peacefully contest and protest against that barbaric behavior.
We were employed by this company right from the beginning. The company made publications of our employment. We wrote aptitude tests, and then we were sent for training, and then we came back. The company paid us salary. We work for the company. We get instruction for the company. At the end of the day, the company said we are not their employees. Some of us told them, you employed us, and you have to give us entitlement based on our employment status.
Over 20 years ago, we joined this work. The first time we were employed, they gave us appointment letter. And when they gave us appointment letter, after some years, they told us that we will go to police college and get some security training there. We went there and we returned back and giving us a certificate from the police that, and wrote to to Mobile that the people you send for training, they have trained and have returned them back to you. Sometimes, these people say that we belong to Nigerian police. Nigerian police are not paying us salary. They paid us salary. Nigerian police are not paying us salary. They pay us salary. In cause of this, that who is our father, who is our mother here? Sometimes they say we can't attend the medical here. Sometimes we are not entitled to many things that the staffs entitled to. We went to court. In court, when we get to court, in high court, the judgment was delivered in the high court, 50-50. We said that no, we can't just be transfer our people and kind of a thing. We went to court of appeal. In getting to court of appeal, all the three judges in court of appeal appreciate us and say we belong to those people. These people does not take us as, we are not the Nigerian police. In this judgment I'm showing you now, the police wrote more than 2-3 times after about how many Inspector General of Police wrote that I didn't employ these people, I didn't know these people. You are the one that sent them to us for training just for 3 months, and I have done that. They belong to you.
One Mr. Sugar Kayode from Human Resources, representing Human Resources Department, came to approach us that he is happy that we calm down all this while, that the company is working. They have accepted, or they are working day and night to make sure that things work out fine, that we should remain calm, that they are sending us a letter on the 13th or 14th of that same day, that when we get the letter, there are a lot of things that are written there for us to sign, and we are a member of ExxonMobil. On getting to our office, they lock the office. They say we cannot enter. That's the security men we met there say we cannot enter. That they've got instruction that we will not enter. We have to call our lawyer, Femi Falana, son. He said we should remain peaceful and remain here at the gate. We should not make any problem. You can see while you are here, the only thing you can see with us is this.
Sir, I want to put it this
Hold on. So this is the judgment. I'll show you. He said we should remain calm. Like you're here, you can never. None of us have anything more than our phone.
They are now appealing to the federal government and other relevant authorities to come to their aid.